how to create an abstract design such as this using gradients in Krita. Shaped gradients, so a shaped gradient which is set via the tool options. First thing to do is just go over here to the tools panel and select this one, freehand selection, and create a nice selection, just a real nice wavy selection. All kinds of different designs can be created by different selections. So there's a selection, and I would suggest tool options, that's in the settings and dockers, set it to new so it doesn't keep creating a new one, but that's fine if that's what you want. Then go to the gradient and click here. Now I'm going to be using this one, this gradient here. You obviously won't have that one, but what it is a segmented gradient. Please check out my previous video on how to create a segmented gradient. Very easy to create, very quick to create all kinds of lovely rainbow colour designs like this. So with that selected, you can apply it. And it will create this design, because here in the tool options for the gradient, I've got shaped. There's a load of them, linear all the way down to shaped. It's a pity that there's no feature to reverse it. Well, of course you can reverse the gradient if you want to create, but it would be nice obviously here, maybe a reverse shaped. There are literally thousands of possible things here with spirals, etc. Shaped is brilliant, I think. So what you can then do, go down here again, freehand selection, and draw another one. And you can draw all kinds of different shapes and release. Gradient tool and apply again. And you can see the result of that. What you can also do, of course, is you can go to select and invert selection. So invert selection, now apply the gradient. And you can see the result of that is actually the opposite. Obviously it's filled it, obviously cleared all the other ones as well, but you've got this really, truly weird, unusual abstract design. However, I'm just going to undo that. I shall point that out. Edit, undo gradient. Now what you can also do is you can create a layer. So go to layer and new and add paint layer. So now with layers, you've got two layers there. Go over here with the selection again. You can use any of these, maybe go for this. Go for the elliptical and create a circle. Now the tool option may be different depending on the previous use. And then apply the gradient. So again, apply the gradient and you can see the result. It's obviously more uniform because it's a circle. However, it is on a layer. So select and deselect. I don't want the selection anymore. So I can then go over here to the move tool and I can move it around. So you can reposition it. You can also go over here to the layers panel, select that and right click and duplicate layer. So you can create another one. Right click and duplicate layer to build up, and of course you can resize it and much more. And once you're happy with that, just go to layer and flatten image, and there's your design. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please leave in the comments below. Always great to hear. Thank you much.